Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to place 4 flyers in a single page in Canva so that they are ready for printing. So first of all, come here on canva.com, then simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, select the option of templates. Then you just have to simply use the search bar and search for flyer. Now when you search for flyer, you are going to see a bunch of different flyer templates, but I want you to select the option of create a flyer so that this type of canvas could be opened in front of you. Now over here, you just have to simply select the canvas, then click on the option of file on the top right hand corner, then simply go to the settings, and here simply select the option of show rulers and guides. Now here you can press Shift plus R on your keyboard in order to turn the ruler on. So as you can see, the ruler is going to look something like this. Now over here, once the ruler appears, you just have to simply click and drag a guide from the top of the ruler down to the center of the page. So you just have to do it something like this. And after doing so, you just have to simply do it from the left hand side. So you just have to drag another guide from the left to the middle, and then you just have to drag and drop it something like this. So when the guides reach to the exact center, they will automatically snap into the place, dividing your page into 4 equal sections, just like so. Now you can just simply upload your flyer. If it isn't already in the design, then you can just simply resize it so that it fits neatly inside one section. Then you can duplicate the flyer 3 times, and then you can just simply place one copy inside each of the remaining sections using the guide in order to basically keep everything directly aligned. After doing so, in order to download it, click on the option of share, then click on the option of download. Then you can press the download button in order to download this. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.